In the heart of Mexico's Bajío region lies Casa Camelia, a remarkable weekend retreat designed to harmonize with its surroundings while providing modern comforts. Casa Camelia was conceived with a clear vision, to create a weekend house that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces, maximizing natural light and ventilation. The design prioritizes sustainability, utilizing locally sourced materials and earthy tones to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. One of the central objectives of the project was to dissolve the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. This is achieved through the strategic placement of large windows and open layouts, allowing for uninterrupted views of the surrounding golf course and greenery. Cross-ventilation and thermal materials ensure comfort in any season, making the house a haven of tranquility. The architecture of Casa Camelia draws inspiration from its natural surroundings. The use of wood, in particular, plays a pivotal role in the design, providing scale to the double-height spaces and creating a sense of warmth and connection with the environment. The result is a space that feels both contemporary and rooted in tradition. The layout of Casa Camelia is thoughtfully designed to cater to both private relaxation and communal gatherings. Private terraces with pools offer secluded spots for unwinding, while garden terraces provide open spaces for socializing and enjoying the outdoors. Double-height ceilings and natural lighting further enhance the sense of openness and freedom within the home. Thanks to its orientation and thoughtful design, Casa Camelia offers comfortable temperatures year-round. Large windows can be opened to let in a cool breeze during the warmer months, while thermal materials help retain warmth in the cooler seasons. This ensures that residents can enjoy the tranquility of the countryside without sacrificing modern comforts. Ultimately, Casa Camelia represents more than just a weekend retreat. It's a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, residents can reconnect with nature, relax in comfort, and find peace in the simplicity of sustainable living. It's a testament to the power of thoughtful design to enhance our quality of life and bring us closer to the natural world.